Twitch reportedly considered cutting streamer pay to boost its own profits. Well, yeah, of course. I like how that headline seems like a surprise. It's like, where do you think they get these numbers from?
Oh, instead of paying the consumer, or
no, I just mean like where do you think there's a constant dance going on here of a balancing act of how much money, of what these revenue splits will be. How much money should the platform get? How much money should the streamer themselves get? The content creator, the YouTuber, the TikToker, the Instagram reeler, the Instagram storyteller like yourself.
Yeah, like what's the best deal here? What is YouTube's deal?
55-45 on ad revenue and 70-30 on like all these people giving us the super chats. Shout out Junk Food Junction and others. That's going to be 70-30. But don't get me started on a 70-30 because Apple's going to take a piece if you did the super chat from iOS.
Oh, my goodness.
Apple takes 30 right away.
Oh, wow.
So you thought you were 70-30, but your 70-30 is cut out of the original 70-30.
Oh, so you get a 70%.
Apple gets 30 right away.
Wait, it's not even a question.
No.
Wow.
No. Timmy, you kidding?
Timmy.
Tim is not taking the leftovers.
Timmy.
You pay Tim first.
Yeah.
He's just rubbing his ends.
Tim's like, you want to give these guys a super chat? Start here.
But
Wow.
They're like the mob. They're like, we are.
Taxes.
Yeah. You want to do any business, come to us first. So yeah, but it's all been described by YouTube. They let people know that's how it works. I mean, you don't have to go through the App Store.
Okay.
But a lot of people have their money connected to it, and it's convenient for them. Let's give them some credit. Let's give Tim some credit. Why don't we? If he didn't go collect everybody's credit cards, it might be harder to make a super chat like Christopher over here. He says Mo Money can compete with Jim Cramer Mad Money. Do you know Jim Cramer's Mad Money?
No.
Get out of here. You're supposed to be the stock guy. He's the original guy, but he's a different demeanor than you. He's yelling and screaming.
Oh, right. Hold on. Let me see.
He's buying and selling, or he's telling you to, or whatever. A new Bloomberg report citing people familiar with Twitch's pay planning claims that the company wants to incentivize streamers to run more ads, in addition to considering reducing the portion of subscription fees allocated to performers. More specifically, the site's top streamers would reportedly see their share of subscriptions dip down from 70 to 50.
It's a big cut.
Kovu didn't even respond to that. He's all grown up.
No, he's not. He attacked Otis today.
Oh, did you want to go into it, or?
What do you mean? We didn't see it after.
I don't know if it's attack. I think they're just playing too hard.
I saw. Well, I saw the after.
We all saw the aftermath. It was too much.
I mean, he came to me for protection. I was surprised. I'm like, I don't do anything. I'm sitting here. I'm talking. Why you come to me for protection?
You're the talking man.
I guess so.
Me.
He's like, it is time for the talking man. He just stood by my right leg.
I know.
And
there was some safety there.
I gotta admit, I felt responsible in that moment. I was like, because I kind of wanted to move around a little bit, but I was like, I think he's taking comfort in like me standing between him and Kovu at the moment.
So you stuck around a little bit.
I guess. I feel like that's what happened. So they for those that don't know, they're playing around, and then one of them will take it too far.
Yeah.
And then they'll be, then they're mad at each other. Or maybe not. Maybe not mad. I don't know if they experience it like that. But they warn one another. Yeah. And then there's a separation.
Yeah.
And then...
Well, Kovu doesn't even understand. He just wants to be back into it.
But he has to go lie next to you.
Yes, because he's in trouble.
No, Christopher, I don't want to make you guilty on the iOS. Christopher, listen. It's a convenience thing. Like if it wasn't so easy to do, you wouldn't do it. And Tim gave you the convenience. So Tim gets his 30 points. It's fine. Tim gets his tip. It's good. Anyway, so Kovu goes over where Mo is, and then he's got to lie down over there. And then Otis goes over where I am. Not usually.
Yeah.
He goes over where Will is. And there's like a settling down process that goes on.
Yeah.
And then they become friends the following day or whatever.
Yeah.
They just need to cool down.
They got to cool down, man. They got to cool down, period. And so, but it's quite a thing to watch. And then the owners get a little bit uppity. The owners have their own thing going on.
Yeah.
Which is you two.
Yeah. Me and Will just go at each other.
Well, I don't know. I don't know.
I'm sitting by your feet.
I don't know the protocol. I don't know the protocol. I don't know the protocol with the owners.
Start scrapping.
I don't know. Because you guys tell me you go to the dog park, you don't know the protocol. No one does.
No, it's
What do you do after something transpires? Like in this case, you know each other, but if something transpires,
yeah, it's happened a few times.
It's awkward.
It is very awkward. Typically, both sides are apologizing.
Hopefully,
Yeah.
That's not what he says.
It's not always the case. Sometimes.
What are you talking about?
Your stories are different.
No.
Your dog.
I'm generally pretty cool.
No, your dog park stories are different.
Dog park?
Yeah, that's what he's talking about.
I don't go to the dog park
See
anymore.
what I'm saying? It's too much beef going on.
I've lowered mine, taking Kovu to the dog park as well. Or I go like very odd hours where I know there's not a lot of dogs.
So what's the problem? Why is the dog park? Why do you not recommend the dog park?
Well, for Kovu, he's not snipped, so he attracts other dogs who aren't snipped, and they get aggressive with each other.
So it's purely sexual.
Okay, I would never say it like that.
Well,
but-
I'm just saying that like, is it you think that if that didn't exist, then it would be just another walk in the park?
My vet told me that would be the case. So, I think, because I don't see other dogs, and Kovu is,
But Kovu's, he's not the aggressive one. It's the other dogs
exactly,
that smell
but
him.
They smell him, and then they start attacking. And
Yeah.
he obviously is defensive, but he never is
He's
initiating it.
Yeah. He's the nicest dude.
Yeah, he is.
What are we doing?
What are we doing?
Who and what are we doing?
They just love to lick blood.
When you went to the dog park, Will, you said that everybody. I would like to try a Japanese fruit sandwich. That's a great idea. When you went to the dog park,
They are very good.
you had this encounter, and you refused to back down.
Why are you making up stories? What's going on here?
Don't you remember you told me this? Like there was some kind of interaction, and you had to get in the middle of it. Did this happen? Am I crazy? Yeah, go ahead, Will. I'm unlocking this memory inside of you.
Well, he did fight
That's what I'm talking about.
at one point.
It got in a fight.
I think, like Mo, he wasn't snipped. Like Kovu's Mo's dog.
Yeah, I wasn't.
Not Mo.
You better watch out. That owner, he's not snipped.
Super aggressive.
Yeah.
Sexually.
Yeah. Okay.
And another dog came to challenge him.
Mm-hmm.
And Otis wasn't having it, and they fought. And I had to break it up.
Mm-hmm.
And the owner was super apologetic, and
Yeah.
I just left.
Wow.
I mean, that's what
Is
you
it
do,
like?
right?
Is it at all like a car accident?
It really is. It's a lot of dogs just like around, circling, and
But I mean, like the other day at the intersection, I saw a car accident.
You're saying they're trading information?
Yeah, there's like a weird moment after the thing happens, which is like we don't know each other, but
Right.
I feel we're supposed to interact and like
Right. Or continue this.
that there maybe is a protocol, but then there isn't because there really isn't a social
Of
protocol
course,
for
there's
it.
nothing. Yeah.
unless there's grave injury,
Right. If you see blood.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I know, but even then, what? Here's my phone number. Like what? I don't know.
Yeah,
It's kind
It's
of
awkward.
it's kind of insane, the whole thing. To be honest, let's all bring our wolves to a fenced in area and see what happens.
Yeah, I think that's strange.
But people, they want to get out, they want to chat it up.
Oh, it's not just that. It's also you want to give your dog a lot of space to run in where you know he can't run away.
Yeah,
Like that's the value I see in the dog park.
The no running away.
Well, I can let you run as freely as you want because that's what Kovu loves doing, and I don't have to worry about losing you.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Because if you go to just like far away to an open area, open
Like-
field, he's gone.
Yeah, there's a hike that we like to go on.
He just bolts immediately.
And he does. He bolts sometimes, and it's just a giant forest. It's like huge. I would lose him so quickly.
Yeah.
So I got to keep him leashed on that one.
I always wonder about the running away. The one time Otis ran away, and I was like,
Yeah, he did run away.
I didn't expect it. Like, I didn't think they would do
At
it.
work.
I didn't
Yeah.
think they would do it, but some do, some don't. I don't know. It's all about. There's a big age aspect to that too. He'll never leave your side now. I don't think he could run away. There's no possible way he can run away now at this age.
He could get lost, though.
He's attached. He's attached.
Well, here.
He's attached.
No, but what I mean is he can get lost.
The tentative monetization considerations come amid a time of flux at Twitch. Twitch is simultaneously reeling from what Bloomberg calls a mass exodus of employees. This is pointed in the company's direction. Some 300 employees reportedly left Twitch last year, with another 60 leaving in the first 3 months of 2022. Some top creators have left too. In the past year, both Dr. Lupo and Tim the Tatman, two prominent streamers, left the site for rival YouTube. Earlier this year, Amazon announced it would add a 5% fuel and inflation surcharge to third-party sellers. Oh, they're just trying to loop it in to the Amazon picture and say that they're looking for more, I guess, looking to compensate for inflation.
Yeah.
Maybe the employee costs go up and then they want more of that streamer cash to pay for it. But going from 70-30 to 50-50, I mean, who's gonna want that? Granted, well, actually, yeah. Was it the ad revenue or the direct subscription revenue? Because then people could go to YouTube and get the 70-30, can't they? I don't know. Well, I don't know what to tell you, but it definitely is heating up. I think I could say that. I think I could tell you it's heating up. The Twitch versus YouTube streaming thing.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see.